If you're asked to factor an expression, it just means you're trying to divide out what you can that's in common between all your terms. So we got two terms here. They both have an x, so we know we can take some sort of x out of both of them. And the highest x we can take is x squared. Because this guy is x squared, this guy is x to the fifth. So the biggest one we can take out of both of them is x squared. But there's something else we can also take out of these terms. This has 15, this has 3. They're both divisible by 3. So we'll pull a 3 out. And then we're going to make a parentheses, and we have to write what's left over on the inside of those parentheses. So to find out what's left over, you're dividing this by a 3x squared. And when you do that, 15 divided by 3 gives you 5. And then x squared divided by x squared gives you nothing. So that's what's left over in this parentheses. And the next one, you've got 3x to the fifth. We're factoring out a 3x squared. So the 3's are gone. But you have x to the fifth divided by x squared. And when you divide two things, the powers subtract. So we got x to the third left over. And here's our final answer right here. This is the factored form. We can't divide anything out of both of these. It's as factored as it can go. 3x squared was the factored piece that we could take out. This is how you would write your factored expression. And the other thing to note is that whatever you do in math, you should be able to reverse your step and get the same thing. If I multiply 3x squared times 5, I get 15x squared. 3x squared times negative x to the third, that gives me negative 3x to the fifth.